It's your girl Honcho VB back with another video. Well, today I'm going to do some easy peasy dirty rice. Now, I've always said in the past, if you don't have all the ingredients, you can always improvise. Some of the best meals are made out of something that you create yourself. Anyway, come on guys, let's get started. All of this is going into the what? Ninja Foodi. Okay, guys, all of this is going in the dirty rice. Let me show you what we got here. I have some chicken broth that I made with the Better Than bouillon. I used like a teaspoon and a half into a little over a cup of water. And I have some dehydrated celery and some dehydrated bell pepper. If you have fresh, throw fresh in there. I'm using what I have. And if you have a Ninja Foodi, you can always dehydrate some veggies and put them up for the winter. I'm putting some butter in there. I'm using some Flavor God's hot wing seasoning and Mrs. Dash. I have some black pepper. I'm throwing in a little bit of cocoa aminos. I have an onion. Actually, that is a sweet onion. So you can use yellow or sweet. I'm using ground turkey. You can use beef. You can use pork. Sometimes I throw in chicken livers in with my ground meat. But I don't have any chicken livers, so this is what I'm going with. I have a cup of rice. Okay, let's get all this into the pot. Okay, I'm turning Ninja Foodi on, and I'm going with the sear saute high. Okay guys, I'm throwing in about a half tablespoon of butter. Putting in the ground turkey. Okay, so while this is browning up, we can start to add our ingredients. Celery, and I'll give a link in the description of if you do want to get some dehydrated vegetables. So this is about, I'm going to do a couple of tablespoons of celery. This is the green pepper. A couple tablespoons of the green pepper as well. If you're using fresh vegetables, use 2 stalks of celery and 1 green pepper. Or you can use red and green, you can mix them up. Okay, and put about I forgot to mention the parsley. This is dry parsley, about a tablespoon of dry parsley. And my garlic. If you want fresh, use fresh. So that's about a tablespoon of garlic. A black pepper. Half a tablespoon of black pepper. This is Dash. You don't see me putting a lot of salt in here because I'm trying to cut back on my salt. I'm getting salt from the broth because that has sodium in it. Some of the other seasonings that I'm putting in has sodium. The hot wing seasoning has some sodium, not a lot. So if you want more than what you see me putting in, then put the salt in. And I'm going to get the heat from this hot wings. Okay. That's almost a tablespoon. My cocoa aminos. And this brings some saltiness as well. Okay, so I'm mixing all this up. Wow, it smells so good. Okay, let me hurry up here. The onion. Cup of rice. A little over a cup of the broth. See, I still have some in there from the bouillon. Better than bouillon. I'm doing about 3 tablespoons of butter. Okay, usually for the rice is a 1-to-1 ratio. If you have a cup of rice, you do a cup of water. I just put a little over a cup of water. Maybe I'll put just a tad bit more butter in there. Okay. All right. Put on the pressure cooker lid. Make sure it's in the seal position. Okay, so we're going to do pressure high, 6 minutes. I'll see you in a few. Look at here, guys. Look at here. Doesn't this look good? I told you it was going to be easy peasy. Okay. You see it's piping hot. Let me get this plated, let it cool a bit, and give it a taste. Guys, look at here, look at here. Doesn't this look good? Oh my goodness. Look, guys. It smells so good in here. I put a little scallion on top. Look at that. Let me give it a taste. Guys, this is so good. Taste again. This is good. I'm getting the heat from the seasoning that I put in. I don't like things too hot, so this is just right. And remember, if y'all want more salt, more sodium, you need to add the salt to it. This is a 2 thumbs up. I'm going to go have my dinner now. If you like this video, click like, share, and subscribe. And hey, don't forget to hit that bell button below this video so you can be notified of new upcoming videos. And until next time, Hunchovb VB is out. Peace.